Imagine living in a community where you could truly enjoy everything life has to offer within minutes to the beach for an unbeatable value. Hi, I'm Kayla and I'm here to tell you all about Windmill Woods. Brand new to the Bethany Beach area and located in tax-friendly Delaware is Windmill Woods. This stunning private community offers beautiful single-family homes with included 2-car garages situated on your choice of a variety of private wooded or pond view home sites. Here you won't have to worry about climbing the stairs as your owner suite is now conveniently positioned off the main living area, perfect for when you get home from the beach and are ready to kick up your feet and relax. You can enjoy maintenance-free living, inclusive of full lawn care, landscaping, power washing of your home, and much more. The best part of living at the beach? When your family can come and visit. Can you picture it now? Building sandcastles together, going for bike rides, enjoying the community pool, and creating new traditions together. Getting to Windmill Woods is very easily accessible from major cities like Baltimore, DC, and Philly. And the homes here have plenty of space for visitors to relax and enjoy your new home with you. I can't wait to show you everything that this community has to offer. Give me a call to schedule your appointment here today.